So we discussed first problem under exercise 6.1 in my previous video, and I told you to do question number 2 and 3. I'll just give an hint how to do 2 and 3 so that you can try it in your homework book. So according to the data and the given figure, they have given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, and they're asking us to calculate C. So in this case, what you're going to do is consider let the angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3x. Since they have given in terms of ratio, you should consider it as 2x and 3x. And when you look at the figure, angle A plus B is equal to 90 degree because the other part is 90. So therefore this has to be 90 because the whole, it's a straight line, sum should be equal to 180 degree. So I'm going to get A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so that is 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. From that you will be getting the value of x. So substitute back in order to find angle A and B. So once you found angle A and B, now B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Again they are in a straight line. That's why I told you should recall your, like axioms and the theorems that you have studied. You know that a ray stands on a straight line, forms 180 degree, add up to 180 degree. That theorem you are going to apply it. So B is known to you. C we have to find out. So consider B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, C will be equal to 180 minus B. So, hence you will get the value of angle C. Okay. So, that is about question number 2. So, question number 3. So, they are saying that angle PQR is equal to PRQ. So, then prove that angle PQS is equals to PRT. Okay. So, in this what you have to do is, okay, first consider a straight line ST as shown in the figure and a ray PQ. Don't consider PR, okay. Consider only PQ, closed PR. So then what you're going to get, I'll be getting angle PQT plus PQS will be equal to 180 degree because it's a straight line, right? So that you can consider it as equation 1. Similarly now, close PQ, the line PQ, just line PQ. So now we are going to get a ray PR standing on ST. So I'm going to get again now PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degree. So LHS are equal. Okay. So equate the RHS and there PQR is equal to PRQ is there. Those two you can cancel it because they are equal. So then you'll be getting the required result. So that is about the homework sum. I've just given hint how to solve it. Okay. But I want you guys to solve it and show it to me. Write it in a like a homework book and you can send it to me. Now coming to question number 4. So let me explain question number 4 now. So in the given figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a straight line. So here entire problem is based on the figure. Always remember in geometry the entire problem will be based on the figure. Once you understand the geometrical figure then it is very easy. So they are saying that x plus y is equal to w plus z. And I have to prove that AOB is a straight line. This is what you have to do it. So I'll just explain it now without writing anything. Try to understand. First step, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this entire thing. So that is I'm going to close this part. Okay. When you close it, I'm going to get AOB as a line and then OC as a ray standing on that line. If that is the case, according to the theorem, can I say that x plus y is equal to 180 degree? Yes. So I can say x plus y is equals to 180 degree, right? Similarly, I'm going to close this ray. Okay, then the second result I'm going to get it as y plus w plus z is equal to 180 degree. Two equations you got it, correct? And one more thing, this is a complete angle. So what is sum of a complete angle? X plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree, right? So I'm going to use that concept now. Okay, so given x plus y is equal to w plus z, angle A, we have to prove that AOB is a line. In order to prove AOB is a line, what I should prove? AOB is equal to 180 degree. That's a hider of it. Let me see how can we prove that. Okay. So we know that the sum of all the angles around a fixed point is 360 degree. That is a complete angle. So that is x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. So here I have written x plus y in the blue color. The reason here is, what is this x plus y is equals to according to the given condition? It is y plus z. So I'm going to replace x plus y. In place of x plus y, I'm going to replace with w plus z. If I write w plus z, so I'll be getting 2 times of w and 2 times of z, correct? So that is 2 times of w plus 2 times of z I'm going to get. So I'm going to take out 2 common. I'll be left with w plus z, which is equal to 360 degree. So w plus z will be equal to 360 divided by 2. So I'm going to get w plus z as 180 degree, right? So here I'm getting w plus z as 180 degree. So if w plus z, that is, observe it here, w plus z is 180. If the sum of adjacent angle is 180 means they are linear pair, right? If they are linear pair, then AOB should be a straight line. So that's how I'm going to conclude it. From the given figure, we can conclude that W and Z form a linear pair. So we know that if a ray stands on a straight line, then the sum of the angles of a linear pair formed by the ray with respect to the line is 180 degree. So from that I can say that AOB is a line. So this is how we are going to prove that it is a line. So in geometry it's very simple. Always write what is given and understand what to be proved, and then look at the figure carefully, write down the data, and then analyze how to proceed. So I want you guys to do the 5th one. So I'll be discussing the 6th question. Okay. So what's the 6th question? Let me look at the 6th question and understand what it is. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, it is given that XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Okay. And XY is produced. First, they have not given all this. So first only they have given this angle XYZ. The figure is not given to you. You should do it. Okay. So that's why read the question carefully. So given XYZ is 64. So you're going to draw this. Then XY is produced to point P. So they have produced XY to a point P. Okay. Draw the figure from the given information. So this is a figure, right? And then what they are saying, YQ. YQ is a ray which bisects angle ZYP. So what do you mean by bisecting? So bisecting means dividing into 2 equal parts. Trisecting means dividing into 3 equal parts. Okay. Bisecting means dividing into 2 equal parts. So here QY bisects these two means, can I say that this angle is equals to this? Yes. Can I say that? So I can say that angle this, okay, will be equals to this angle. The reason here is they are bisected. So therefore I can say these two are equal. So this is a figure according to the definition. So for the convenient way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider this as X. Okay, so let this be X, the angle X. If that is X, can I say this is also X? Yes, I can say that this is also X because they are equal according to the given data. So now when you just look at the figure, what is the thing that comes to your mind? It's a straight line. Can I say that PYX is a straight line? Yes, PYX is a straight line. And what is the result that is known to you with respect to the straight line? The angle, sum of the angles should be equal to 180 degree. So that's what you are going to use it. Okay. So we are supposed to find XYQ and the reflex of XYP. Okay. So first find out XYQ. This one, XYQ, you'll be finding it. And then you're supposed to find the reflex of angle XYP. Okay, so reflex of XYP is very simple. Okay, so let me understand how to proceed this. So let us continue with the problem. So in this case, first write the figure and what is given also. Okay, so what is given, let me write it. So given here is angle XYZ. So angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. And a ray bisects angle ZYP. So if it is bisecting, as I already informed, this is x and this is x. They are two angles. So that's what I've written. And again here, angle symbol is not there, so that's why I've written ANG. Please don't write in that form. So now angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ, which is equal to x. Just for a convenient, I've taken it as x. Okay. So in the next step, I should find the reflex angle of XYQ and reflex angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So let me start. We know that angle of a straight line is 180 degree, right? So this complete angle is a straight line and we know that it is equal to 180 degree. So I'm going to take sum of 64 and then x, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so x plus 64 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. 2x is equal to 116. Therefore, x I'm going to get it as 58. So this is 58 and this is also 58 now. So now we have found 58. One data is finished. So they have asked us to calculate. Now XYQ. So that is XYQ. Observe it, XYQ. So what is XYQ here is? Not only that, it's an entire angle here. XYQ is this complete angle. Am I right? XYQ is this complete angle. So this 64 plus this angle will give you XYQ. Am I right? So that's what I'm going to do it now. So that complete angle will be equal to, so 64 plus, what is that angle just now we found? Which is 58. So which is equal to 122 degree. So that first data we have found. So next they are asking us to calculate reflex and angle of XYP. So the reflex of angle XYP. So reflex of angle XYP is equal to what? What is the reflex of angle XYP? So the reflex of angle XYP is all this complete angle. This reflection. Okay. It is not coming properly. Okay. So just yeah. So always we know that the reflex angle, okay, is that complete angle, and we know that we should take 360 minus of that angle. So what is 360 of? So I should, because this is just now we found which is 58. So reflex of this should be 360 minus 58. So that's what I've done in my next step. 360 minus 58, which is equal to 302. So this is about the problem. So we have found what is the XYQ as well as the reflex angle. So which is 302 degree. So hope you have understood the problem under this exercise, and I've given fifth one also as a homework. So I want you guys to write it in your homework book, and if you have any doubts, you're free to come back to me. Thank you.